Why Ethereum pumping so much? What could be the next with Ethereum and where we can take it trades? Let's analyze it together because we gave really powerful signals on Ethereum. If you saw our previous analysis that I recorded for you 1 day ago, where I warned you about potential rise on Ethereum, I shared for you my trades that I took on Ethereum. And at this moment, Ethereum, as you can see, pumping so much. First, let's discuss what the reason was behind that pump and what we can do the next. Also, we gave quite a lot of signals about long on Ethereum many days ago. And first, let's discuss a reason why Ethereum is pumping. First, friends, the main reason why Ethereum is pumping because price was in powerful downward trend. Pay attention to this bigger time frame. If you open a bigger time frame, you can see that Ethereum was so much down, more than 70%. For fundamentally strong coin, it is a lot. Ethereum reached area of oversold. If you let's say look on this example on a spot market, especially, Ethereum was so close to key area, which we called oversold when price drops below first deviation of VWAP. If it is a fundamentally strong coin, that's the best place to buy it for really long term. And Ethereum was so close to it, but still it is big oversold. And the market makers who build a position on Ethereum at this moment started to pump it. The most important question, what we can do the next on Ethereum. Before I tell you, I ask you to push like and go down, follow me on Telegram. Link would be here in description because even previous updates about long on Ethereum, I shared with you many updates, some of them on YouTube, some of them on other platforms. That's the reason why you follow me here, because you will never miss such free signals and updates. What right now about Bitcoin and Ethereum? Let's cover Ethereum for a start, and after that the BTC. First, Ethereum already did significant acceleration, and statistically, after such acceleration, price started to create a range because it needs a lot of money and energy to create a pump. That's why at this moment I expect a range on Ethereum. Example for you, it was like even the significant drop down range here, pump range. In most cases, price rarely create super long pump. According to my observation, because I analyze the markets for really long period of time, most of the case after that price create a range, and after that price goes continue its uptrend. For me at this moment, it's super important for Ethereum to stay above uncapped VWAP. It is above 2100 area. If price stay above uncapped VWAP, for me it would be a signal that this uptrend will go on, and it would be a powerful uptrend. That's why if price stay in a range above first deviation, I would look entry for continue, because for me it would be a clear uptrend. But at this moment, with bigger chance it would be a range. It could be the same range as it was, for example, here, like this range. Price can be for many days, 22 days in a range. This quite bigger range for 17 days. This range for 23 days. This range 12 days, 14 days. Like quite a lot of days, BTC could be, or Ethereum could be in a range. Sometimes price creates such wide range for 92 days. That's why at this moment, it is a little bit too late to take a trade. Wait for a range. The best area for us, it would be 2100. It is a key area where we should look for new entries and take a trade for continue. Follow the trend until it breaks. Significant volume pushed up, and at this moment I expect only continue on Ethereum. What would be my major targets for Ethereum, where I think there could be some significant pullback? At this moment, key resistance, next key resistance, it would be 3000. It is exactly all of this imbalance, plus it would be first VWAP deviation. That's why if price reach it, I would definitely, I think after, there could be even some bigger range, bigger pullback, something like that. That's why 3000 for me, it is really super important resistance on Ethereum. Follow the trend until it breaks. What also remember, if that would be good ideas, I will share my trades as I did on BTC. Like at this moment, I took a trade on Bitcoin short. Now, what I did, I shared with our community where I took, what volume I put, what entry point, and also every person who asked me, I help with reason, stop losses, take profits. If that's what you're looking for, if you wanna also receive it, what you do below this video, there would be get access to our private club. Open this form, fill it, your name, email, choose a country where you're from, push, write your full phone number, and after that, my team will help you to join us and start making money with us. What about BTC? At this moment, as I shared with you, I took short on BTC. What's the reason? First, BTC did three already. We have three powerful waves up. First, second, and third. It is a free third wave. Price also retested. If we build this entire volume profile, you can see price at this moment retested value high of this entire composite profile. Plus price, as you can see, tested this previous high volume node. Now, for me, it is a last key resistance. And additionally, on a smaller time frame, if we go to a smaller time frame, such as 1 hour, we can see a series of significant liquidations. That's a reason why at this moment expect some pullback or a range on BTC. I understand that this trade is against a trend. That's a reason why I took it. And if price hit my stop loss, I would not I would stop. I would not reopen anything like that. My target would be this one to take this impulse, and second target would be to take this range low. That's why at this moment I have the short trade. Yes, it is against this powerful uptrend. Major idea it is to cover all of this imbalance. That's what I would be happy to see on BTC, because statistically, even if uptrend go on, most of the time BTC created massive range before trend continues. That's why if at this moment price would make a pullback, I would close part at 97 area. I will close part, and after that, if everything will be okay, I would close here second part. But globally, if this pullback happens, for me, key area, like best of the best area, where we should definitely build a long position for really long term, it still would be around 90,000, 80,000. If something like this would happen, for me, it would be the best scenario to take a really long-term long on BTC. That's why only around 89,000, I would start building long-term long on BTC and keep it for a really long period of time. Remember to follow me. Remember to join our club if you would like to receive such signals, trading plans on daily basis. And at this moment, I advise you to watch video lesson about my strategy to understand how to take it, what's the logic behind it, and also to take trades on your own. Have a good day.